Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sidakotechlab. Today we are actually going to look at how to connect your WhatsApp from your mobile phone onto your laptop so that you'll be able to browse using the laptop. You understand? So without much ado, let's go for a quick break. We shall be back. Welcome back guys. So before you actually connect your phone to your WhatsApp or your WhatsApp messenger to your laptop, what you're supposed to do is just go to Google and then enter WhatsApp web. Now when you enter WhatsApp web, you come across all these hyperlinks over here. So we have web.whatsapp.com. Just click on this one, and then when you click on this, you see this info, which is saying that to use WhatsApp on your computer, 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone. 2. Tap menu or settings and select linked devices. And 3 says that point your phone to the screen to capture them. You understand? So if you look at, if you scroll down, you will see some videos here to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you step by step procedure in order to connect your mobile phone WhatsApp to your laptop. So after you are done with that, the next thing you need to your phone. You understand? So just go to your phone and then launch the WhatsApp application. When you launch the WhatsApp application, you go to I'm using WhatsApp GB. The normal WhatsApp there's a 3 dots here, but with this I have 3 lines here. Just click on it and then touch or click on the WhatsApp web. You'll be taken to this screen which says use WhatsApp on other devices. So you just click on link devices, and then you have this QR scanner for camera, which is actually going to help you to scan your phone. So I'm going to scan from here. Just make sure that your camera is actually on the scanner. And boom. So you realize that WhatsApp is actually loading from the screen. So you wait until the WhatsApp loads. That it says link that is Google active. You understand? So if you want to log out, that's how you do it. So you can see from my desktop, that is some of the chat. This is actually live on your laptop. This is not the mobile phone. So you can see from the screen that I have 2 sources. That is 1, this is my phone, and this when I scroll from the phone, you are noticing it. Yes, you can notice from the phone that I'm scrolling. Yes, so every message that I get on the phone, I'll be able to so I will get the same message from my laptop, which means I can use my WhatsApp on my laptop. And again, I want to also show you quickly how you be able to log out when you're done. You just have to follow the same steps by clicking the 3 lines or the dots. Go to WhatsApp and then you click on Google Chrome and the Windows. Just click on this and click on log out, and then guys, you are good to go. You have been able to log out of your WhatsApp. So guys, I'm excited. That is all for today. Make sure you like this video, share, and also comment in the comment section if you have any challenge or question whatsoever to ask me. You can also subscribe if you are new here and click on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get a new video that is coming on your way. So that is all. See you on the other video.